Yo, what up, Austin? What up? What up, William? Pamela? Oh man. Yo! What up, Garen? Nighthawk. Yo, fucking bull nuts. Trying to think what else is going on. Let me just look. There you go. Yo, I didn't realize Bull Nuts was fucking. Bull Nuts is back. Holy shit, that just took off. Dude, I went long, like right here, and I fucking went. I stopped out because I went to go fill up water real fast, like an idiot. Yo, how's everybody's day going? I just seen I just seen an image on my fucking computer. Oh man. I can't even make it public. That's so funny. It's a Cove Trader fucking it's a yo, it's a fucking Cove Trader. Oh my god. That shit's so funny. Oh, I would work on the one that was down. I would definitely work on the one that's down. You hit daily loss limit on Apex? I have another one. I want to see what the difference is. If there's something in the account numbers for end of day. So this is an end of no. This is an end of day account, but they don't actually have anything different to tell me that it's an end of day account. It's kind of weird. I thought there'd be like a something else. Yo, I'm waiting for Apex to approve my fucking 4 grand worth of payouts. That'd be nice. What up, William? Dude, I don't know if gold's going to pull back. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. I need to put my speaker in. There we go. Now I can hear when there's order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Bro, that's so weird. They so weird. My quant tower like refreshed or something. We are at high of day. Whoa, how's everybody's day going? You guys up, down? My quant tower was just delayed. How is that fucking possible? How is that possible that it's always delayed? Dude, I caught this long. I should have made so much more money, man. I'm debating on what I want to do. Yo, all day. Ah, there you go, Pamela. All day, man. It's fucking crazy. You only need 2 accounts. You don't need more. You don't need a lot of accounts to make money. I am not worried about the daily loss limit at 1 bit, to be honest with you. Honestly, how I play it is I'll hit it for, I'll play smaller, and then once you have a gain, like say you get up $300, now your daily loss limit's really like 1,500, 1,400. Like, you know, like you hit it for a couple $100, and then your daily loss limit is not an issue at all. That's how I've always played accounts with daily loss limits. Garen's like, I'm in there with 5 minis. Come down, like right over here. Come down, come down. Honestly, what's good about the end of day accounts Garen, if you play them with news, you can't get trailed out anymore. You can't get trailed out on news anymore with Apex. Yo, what up, Eric? As long as you're sized properly. Big size hurts. Stick with the small ones, Bobby. Is that what you're telling us? If MNQ hits 5, I'm going to short the hell out of it. It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Come on. Come back down to like right around here. Maybe bounce off this imbalance at 50. Boom. I just think it's better for news and shit with the end of day because now you don't have to worry about the trail at all. I like it. Come on, what are we doing? So I guess it's 90% off trailing and 85 off end of day is what I was told, Chris. I think that's what the conclusion we came to. I don't know. We were talking about it in the chat. Oh, I didn't get filled. What the fuck? But yeah, that was what I think we came to the conclusion about. Um, Dude, they just missed getting all my orders down here. What the fuck, man? Just grab the orders. Oh, man. Dude, there's a lot of people here on the fucking Discord. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, if you were not verified, I just verified a bunch of you guys on Discord. Dude, gold just keeps going up. Yo, what up, Midas? Yo, flying NQ Bull. Good afternoon. Just trying to make $1. Try to make $1, man. That's all I'm doing. Happy kids. NQ took you out? Took you out to lunch? Or smashed the account? What are we talking about here? What are we talking about? Yo, what up, Matt? Trevor's in the house. PG's in the house. Yeah, I was trying to short it and then I kind of stopped. It kind of wasn't working out for me that great. I'm trying to lock in another payout here. Just trying to lock in payouts. Apex is still pending my two payouts. Should be approved soon. Oh. Yo, what up, Clint? Oh, previous day high? Yeah. It's like right here. 98. What do you think? We sweep it and come back down? I got some reading to do, but do the legacy Apex accounts stick to their own rules? They do. Your Apex legacy accounts are going to be the same as they are right now. Or the legacy accounts stay the same as they were last week. Nothing about them changes. I'm going to make a video about it today. I was just kind of waiting. But I'm going to go through all the FAQs and everything today and make a video. And it's going to go over all of it, and not just like, oh, this is what it is. Like, I'm going to give my opinion on it and like my thoughts on both sides, pros, cons, just kind of like, they have still intraday on old. Yeah. Yep. Your old accounts stay exactly as is. Old accounts don't change. What's up, Monet? But yeah, everything that you know stays the same on the old accounts. It's only the new accounts that things change. Oh man. I'm curious if we sweep previous day high and dump right here. It's kind of what I'm looking for. Oh shit. Tired. I might just get a small little piece.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I just want to see what happens. This is just an eval, by the way. I'm not playing this in a funded account. Dude, what's up, it keeps? You know what happened is I brought my wife's got vertigo, and I brought her to the doctor to get something. And instead of like a normal coffee, I got one of those like frappid lattes, and it just doesn't hit the same as coffee. Would you do the end of day? Yeah, I did. This account right here is an end of day. I like end of day. The odds of you passing an end of day are higher. The odds of you getting a payout on an end of day are higher. So, you know, that's the way I went. I don't know. To me, end of day, just like you can get in a trade and just let it go to break even and then just let it move around and you don't have to worry about trailing drawdown or anything. Like I can get in a trade then and like just leave. Or overnight, I can get in a trade, go to break even and just go to bed. Like it's not a big deal.
Order filled.
What costs 30 more? Not the account itself is 30 bucks total. So I think it only costs $10 more. It's the PA that costs more. It's when you pass it, but I personally would rather an end of day account than a trailing drawdown account to earn a payout in. Yeah. I would, that's just me. I would rather just pay for the end of day. 20 bucks more. I don't know. I'm more of end of day. Yeah, Apex, Carl. I don't know. I just like, my odds are better with an end of day. And I'd rather go for, a better likely of getting a payout. But if you're not getting payouts, you should just stick to, if you're not getting payouts, you should probably just stick to freaking.
Order filled.
intraday and just, practice and do things like that. End of day has a much higher success. I bet you if they showed you the data, you'd be like, holy shit. Boom. I told myself I wasn't going to short today anymore. And here I am, fucking taking another short like I shouldn't be. I was taking it off of the previous day high rejection, thinking that we at least trade back down to 43. Come on. Oh yeah, put that fucking red candle in. Put that red candle in. I mean, it looks good for a dump. It's been trading up most of the day. Sweep previous day high and just unload it. It'd be awesome. Especially going into end of day, you got to think like we bounced, but do you really want to be holding overnight tonight? I don't know. Probably not. That's how I'm thinking about it. Like, are you going to want to hold overnight? I know I wouldn't want to hold overnight.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think if this hits, I get a fucking $2,000 payout, by the way. If we get down a little bit, I'll just go to break even. Dude, no, I don't think anybody's going to want to hold overnight. All right, no risk. If it hits down here, I get a two. Oh my fuck, man. Are you kidding? See, that's what's good about this. This is end of day. I can just hold this thing.
Order filled.
Yeah, end of day. I mean, that'd be awesome to pass this. Day one, fucking pass one. Oh. You motherfuckers! I was trying to go to break even. I thought it would just travel down. I just want to go to BE and let it ride. That's all. I just want a free fucking trade and see if it could hit my TP. Is that too much to ask for? Free trades? But once you hit buffer, it goes static on Apex. Once I hit buffer. Yeah. Yes, happy. Oh. Come on. Just fucking unload this thing to the downside. So I need $800. If I add another 3-piece, I would probably get $800. If it comes, no. Doesn't even matter. I was doing the math in my head, but no. I was mathing. Got to be mathing at all times. I was trying to see how I can get a payout. Dude, why don't I hear fucking order filled? Bro, do you guys hear order filled? Is my fucking sound off? Yo, do you guys hear order filled? Does TPT work the same way once you hit buffer max loss? Yeah, Dino or Dino. Yeah, once you go over 2,000, it becomes static.
I mean, last time you were here.
What? Yeah, who the fuck turned that off? I want to hear it fucking rip. I want to hear the auto-filled so loud. I want to feel it. I kind of want to just hit it with one just to see if I hear it. Hold on. I'll do it in my eval real fast. Let's see.
Order filled.
Oh, we're back. We're fucking back. Yo, imagine that's the top, a test order just to see, and that's the top of the day. Oh. Yo, watch this be the top. That'd be freaking hysterical. Oh, baby. Yo, maybe that's the top. Imagine that shit.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck yeah. That'd be so crazy.
Order filled.
I want a payout.
Order filled. Order filled.
Apex still not. Yo, nah, man. Scooby. No payouts. None. Not payouts. No gold. Yo, I need them to add gold. I love gold. Still have those highs. Come on. Stochastics roll. I think we get 78 out of it. At least give me 78. But yeah. Nah, man. I don't know when they're going to add gold. Believe me, I want them to add gold more than anything. Here's my gold account today. Dude, gold would be awesome. What up, Maria? What's up, Richard? Gold! Yo, they add gold. I will go fucking bananas in Apex. Banananas. I'll just start freaking slapping gold contracts all over everyone's face over there. I need it to dump. Come on, give me 10 points. 10? Not going to give me 10? NQ, you've been dirty today. You've been dirty. Man, am I going to place lows like this? 26. I'm just checking gold out for a second. I'm just seeing where we're at. What's the one that's at like 32? That'd be like... I'm just checking this shit out. Oh, come on down, baby. Oh, man, they're fucking teasing me. I hate when my average is the support. Come on. Fucking dump it, man. I don't trust this. Just give me a couple bucks and send me on my way. Actually, I just want out of this fucking trade at this point. I might just exit. I'm just going
Order
to exit.
filled. Order filled.
I don't know. It seems like they're just going to freaking pop it. It's fine. I'd rather take a small loss than a big loss. Yo, what up, Martin? I'm trying, man. Yo, later, man. 3 p.m. dump, Mike. 3:30 buyback. Well, at least you're back on the winning side of things. Dude. What is the drift play? Basically, at the end of the day, the market just pulls buys. I don't know what causes it, and it makes the market dump. Like literally, sometime between the last 30 seconds, just puts in a big red candle normally. I don't know what causes it. Honestly, it just does it. It happens like 75% of the time. %60 of the time, it works every time. It's so crazy. Dude, there's just no push. I feel like they fake it, and then we're going to come back up. Yeah, but it's between that and the end of the day. You got to kind of like feel it. I use a limit order, and I want the limit order to get filled as it's dumping. I don't mark it in. I want to see it give it up, and that's when I get in. And it depends on how we close. You know, if we're dumping, I'm probably not going to play it. You know. See, like I love the downside here. It's just freaking there's no like momentum here. It's just kind of like hanging.
Order filled.
I'll play it in an eval only. I'm not going to play this in a funded account.
Order filled.
Maybe I will. I want to get this fucking payout is really what I want to do, to be honest with you. I just can't see anybody wanting to hold overnight is my biggest thing. Like if you were investing, would you want to hold overnight knowing, I don't know, mass fucking chaos can break out in Iran overnight? That's my biggest thing. It just makes sense for them to get exit their positions or accumulate shorts, you know, end of day to protect their thing. I'm just thinking real fast.
Order filled.
Oh man, I don't even know where I need to get for a fucking payout.
Order filled.
Where do I need to get for a payout?
Order filled.
Where do I need to get for a freaking payout? I'm mathing here. Yo, what up, David? Do I need $900? I'm gonna need this to dump. I'm gonna need a big old freaking dump. If I hold, I'm trying BK. I've been doing my holding Kegels. So hopefully I can hold this. I have the strength to hold it. I mean, I'm at break even. So it doesn't matter, but I'll be honest with you, they're probably going to bring it up here. They don't, if this breaks right here and dumps, I'm in really good shape. I don't know who's buying. I mean, I'm definitely not. I would not be a buyer. Who would be a buyer? It's like, yo, who's buying this at when this shit can just go south overnight? Nobody fucking knows.
Order filled.
Whatever, I just got fucking stopped. I think the Ducks just opened, Josh. I think the Ducks just opened. Feel free to get a quacker. Quack, quack, motherfuckers. Oh, man. Man, I'm gonna have to I think there's more meat on the bone to the downside. Personally. Personally speaking, I'm gonna probably go back in short in this account. If we get up here and we start riding hot on stochastics, and I'll just stop out at high a day. I'll only be risking like 10 points. Oh shit bags. What the fuck was that?
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, what the absolute fuck was that?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, keep fucking dumping this thing. Dump it more! No! Don't take me out!
Order filled.
Bro. Bro, who just fucking got that? Yo, smash the confetti. Yo. Bro, I have no idea what just fucking happened. Marie! Bro, loving the end of day accounts.
Order filled.
Oh, look at that. I fucking sneaked in. Yo. No, just go down, 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 go, 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 go. No, fuck no. Dude, I'm just freaking.
Order filled.
I'm just risking a little bit of money. And I want to see if it dumps. If it dumps, I'll go to fucking break even. If it dumps, I'm at break even. Dude, I'm just walking this thing down. Nope, I'm out. Boom. Oh! 1 minute chart causes me to panic. The fact that we just dropped 90 points in 3 minutes causes me to panic. There's obviously like this isn't just nothing. I think there's like news or something. Something's had to have happened.
Order filled.
Fuck it. I'm going for a payout.
Order filled.
I didn't mean to buy all those. I didn't mean to buy fucking 9 of them. See, I just want to go to break even. That's like, I don't think, like, that's all I care about is going to break even. And because obviously some crazy shit is going on. I don't want to get caught. That's been closed, though. Dude, there's no way I'm holding this whole move, Mike. There's no way I'm holding this whole move. Just being honest with you. There's not a single bone in my body that's holding this whole move. I play for 3 points sometimes. There's no way I'm holding the 120-point move. Not even a little bit. And there's people like Marie will probably hold this. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not holding this at all. This much. No. I'm probably doing exactly what I just fucking did. I also think something's going on with it. Like, hey, if you guys hold this, that's awesome. It's just not my style of trading where I'm going to just hold this massive move. I don't know. It's just not my thing. You know, I can zoom out to 5 minutes and I'll still be like, nah, still not holding that. Definitely not holding this. I don't care, to be like, it's just so, nope. I'll be moving my stop down and I would get taken out. I'm just, yeah. I don't trust this is going back up. I almost want to reshort it.
Order filled.
Come on. I think it's going to hit this blue line at 46. No. Come on, baby. Come on, break it. Break it down.
Order filled.
I'll take that. I take that. You held 8 contracts short last Friday for 94 points. Dude, that's fucking awesome, man. Like, I think that's awesome. Dude, I'm not holding contracts. There's too much shit that can go wrong. You can easily just give up your gains. Oh, there we go. Just hit it. Like, you can easily just give up your gains. It's just not worth it to me, personally.
Order filled.
So I went super light. I'm just trying to scalp it back up to the 9. Are we going to hold?
Order filled.
Oh, man. Dude, that's crazy. Could close an eye or two? Dude. Any news? I don't see shit, but something's going. Oh, man. Look at that. They stopped me out. Motherfucks. Look at that shit. Bro. Somebody just bought the fuck out of this thing literally right off this blue line I got. Oh, shit. Yo, Matt, you ain't kidding. Yo, that was just premature cellulation right there. That's why I play those bounces. I just was definitely, I'll be honest with you, I was definitely worried that it was just going to keep selling through. 100%. I should have just stayed at the fucking thing. Dude, buyers just stepped in. Dude, they just ripped it. Damn. I think we're going to get another leg down, personally. I just hope they don't pin it at 25,000 for the next 40 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like, we just sit here and they just fucking... Dude. I should have been in that with more accounts. Fuck me. I can't believe I didn't get in there with more accounts. More! I should have been in there. I should have been in there. Fuck. But this is why I don't hold. Because then, like, it could easily just go against me for, like, 50 points. And I'll be like, yo, why didn't I just take my shit? Like, why didn't I just get out? Oh. Yo, Apex is still 1 day to pass, right? I'm pretty sure it's still 1 day to pass. I'm going to try passing this end of day account here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I just saw news that they officially closed it. Damn. Well, I thought it was closed anyways. Yo, it doesn't matter. U.S. secured the Venezuela oil. We're all set. We don't need the oil over there. I don't know if oil prices are going to go through the moon because we secured all the oil from Venezuela. So what do we need oil from there anymore? Yo, what up, Schuster? You know what I'm saying? They're going up now. I think that's a temporary thing. Yo, helpful. Yo, is Doug in here? Doug had a question for you. Yo, helpful pretty much. I was talking about that. I was like, yo, now we're just selling that oil that we got for even more money.
Order filled.
I'm waiting to add. I didn't add yet. That's a sprinkle of what I really want. That's just a little. I'm trying to get like 30 contracts. So this 5 is like a little nothing.
Order filled.
Yo, I don't care, PG. To be honest with you, the more turbulence over there, the more money I make. So I don't. It's fine by me. I hope the thing. Honestly, if this continues longer, it doesn't matter. It's fine by me. I don't think it's going to last long though. I think it's going to be over in a week. I think it's literally going to be over super fucking quick. But if it lasts, yeah. I own a business that people are swarming to right now. Come on. Are you not going to fucking dump this? Come on. See, I feel like this is what you got to do, though, is once you get up on these end-of-day accounts, that's the time you got to push the fucking envelope because the daily loss limit,
Order filled.
the fucking daily loss limit is kind of like doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like,
Order filled.
now with the daily loss limit,
Order filled.
Once you get a little gains, now I can push the envelope. It's end of day. And now I'm playing big because I'm playing big now because the trailing drawdown doesn't fucking count. So now I can lose. Hey, if I lost $1,000, who gives a shit? Because I still have 290, and that's what it will say. I'm up 290 today. I think that's what people don't realize about end of day accounts. U.S. debt rockets. It's over if you walk. Walk away from what? I'm not. I'm definitely not leaving the United States.
Order filled.
I only got a little fucking bag. So basically your drawdown calculates at the end of the day and not your highest point in the middle of the day.
Order filled.
Dude, the US debt has been going up nonstop forever. Here, watch this.
Order filled.
Have you guys ever looked at this? Like, China has debt too, right? China has debt, Japan has debt, UK has debt, France has debt, Italy has debt. Every country has debt. They all have debt. They're all in debt, and they're all like, what country doesn't have debt? I guess it's maybe Russia. Everybody's in debt. Everyone's in debt. Every country's in debt. It makes no sense, but every country's in debt. Every country has debt. Well, you know what? It's not really my problem, honestly. There's nothing I can do about it. Worrying about it isn't going to help me out either. Like, I'm going to sit here and worry about the U.S. debt, or I can just keep working and keep making money and then, and then worry. Believe me, if I'm in trouble, the world is shit. I can tell you that much. If I am in trouble, the world is basically at the end. So I am not worried about it. Not one bit. And to worry about something that you can't control is like what? I'm going to worry about the US debt? Fucking who cares? Like, honestly, like, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm not repaying it. I can't do anything about it. So what does it matter? It sucks. There's US debt and it's going up. They got to do something about it. They're just going to print more paper. Yeah, Ange, that's the IB of the day, I think. Yeah, that's the IB. Yep, I played along off of it. Dude, that's like, it's just out of your control. I don't, that's like, do you worry about the company you work for, like, every second if they're not doing well, or they're doing well, or they're not telling you if they're not doing well? Like, it's just out of your control for the most part. You just kind of, listen, you're just on the ride, and you could do the best you could do, and that's it. You earn, you save, and that's it. There's nothing you could do. I think they're all going to sell pretty good in the close. I'm just afraid that you're going to get knocked out on like a 30-point fucking monster green candle. But no, dude, I own a fucking firearms company. I'm going to be in business until the very fucking end because motherfuckers are going to line up out of the door as the shit's hitting the fan, and they're going to want it all. They're going to want every last little bit of it. Yeah, I'm the last person. When the shit hits the fan, you're going to come see daddy to get fucking protected. That's what's going to happen. Daddy's going to be here. I got it all. Yeah, I'm not worried one bit. Fucking, it's crazy. Dude's piling in. Ain't going down. I think they pop this one last time before they dump it. I think they pop it to this green line. Pop it over 25,000, draw in longs, and then they dump it. Hey, at the end of the day, that's probably what everyone needs. You know, I mean, I remember during COVID, man, it was getting crazy. It was getting crazy. I honestly think everything's going to be fine. This Middle East shit's going to be done in a week or two, and that's it. I don't think this is going to last very long. I think it's going to be pretty quick. They'll negotiate something, and that's it. You're going to have one last big barrage from the U.S. to do as much damage as humanly possible right before they fucking sign some type of treaty. And that's it. I don't think this is going to be long. If you look at it, Russia doesn't want any part of it. China's not entering it. It's been what's going on in the Middle East for fucking ever. It's just another, this happens. What happened last year? There was a 12-day war between Israel and Iran. Like, it's just, this shit pops up. They've never liked each other for ages. It's just something that's going to keep coming forever. Yo, what up, Carl? The U.S. of Iran? Yo, they want to put that guy in. I saw an interview. Trump was talking about, I saw the guy, the Iranian guy that they want to put in. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. And if you think it's the first time the U.S. was involved in a regime change, you're crazy. Yo, Greenland. I think they were making a pact for Greenland that the U.S. is able to use, not own it, but they were able to use it. I want to say something's being drawn up. Dude, there's so many different types of Jews, man. There's so many different types. I have friends that are from Israel here, and I have friends that are just Jewish here. I mean, I don't really notice a difference. The only people I notice a difference from is the Hasidic Jews in Brooklyn do not deal with outsiders. That's a fact. If you ever go to Brooklyn, there's like an area that's highly Hasidic. They don't want anything to do with any outsiders. They'll do business with outsiders for the money, and that's pretty much it. They keep to themselves. It's a large population. Like you drive, everybody in the street is a Hasidic Jew. Everybody. Dude, this is just going back and forth, back and forth. Gold's not even doing anything either. Oh, I got a flip in gold though. I gotta make a trade because I need a trading day. Oh, I need a trading day in bull nuts. Let's see if I could grab. Mustache Man? Who's Mustache Man? I don't know who Mustache Man is. Is that like Mustache Ride Man?
Order filled.
I have no idea who Mustache Man is. I don't follow politics though, so I'm just letting you know. Like I'm not watching the news if it's somebody from the news. I don't go down any rabbit holes really, to be honest with you. Bolton? I don't even know who that is. I don't watch the news, man. I could care less. I'll be honest with you. I trade. After I'm done trading, I got dad life, man. I take my kids to sports. I make dinner. I hang out. Like, I don't really care that much about, like, a lot of the shit, to be honest with you. You know, a lot of it's fake. You know, I'm just not into it. Dude, if this wasn't what's going on, I would say we're going to fucking blast off into space. Yeah, Tommy, that's exactly what it looks like. It looks like you're invalidating it. Looks like you just broke the fucking trend. But if you enter, you get that damn blue line. Yo, guaranteed, Ange. I'm going to buy it. It's going to go straight down. And then it's going to say, thank you, sir. I got back, thank you, sir. Would you like another one? 200 EMA in 1 minute? Yeah, I'm not worried. I'm just watching. Watching. Waiting. I don't know. I just seeing what's going on here. I'm worried about a few things. I mean, we're running hot right here. I mean, we can definitely just turn over. I mean, that's kind of what I was doing because I'm up on it. You know?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Just fucking crank that shit. Come on. Come on. I didn't even know I still had a little 5-piece left. Come on. Come on down. I'll fucking let that thing just... I'll let that thing just hang. I'll show everybody my fib. Yeah, I was short. I was short. I got this end of day account and I'm just kind of hitting it because I'm so far past the daily loss limit that it doesn't really matter. You know what I'm saying? That's what's nice about end of day accounts. Now that Apex has end of day accounts, this is kind of fun. Yo, there you go, Richard. Make that cash, baby. Get paid. Oh, this is what happened. Ready? IRGC advisor. We won't let oil leave the region. That's what they said. We won't let oil leave the region. Don't worry, brother. We just we own Venezuela now. We good. Bro, not gonna lie, that was so fucking smart of them to take over Venezuela for the oil. Holy shit. Playing chess while everyone's playing checkers. Dude. I didn't even think of that. So crazy. So crazy. I'm going to try securing some payouts in these accounts freaking tomorrow. Just look at MCL. Yeah, they said that over here. I don't know why Financial Juice just showed it. Yo, Jim Blab. I'm just looking. I am just looking at stuff. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Dude, so freaking crazy. Was it 900? 900? Oh man, my end of day Apex account is not really end of day. It blew my account like it would have on trailing. What do you mean? Here's my Apex end of day. Well, no. That's not my end of day account. Yo, I don't even know which one I'm in. This is end of day. Look, it says it max drawdown, $3,329. Yo, end of day has a daily loss limit. You'll get the account back tomorrow. Oh, end of day has, yeah, $1,200. That's why your first trade on end of day should really be like a smaller one, but like you try to get maybe $200-$300 and then you start, you know, going for more. Oh baby, MOC is about to hit. I'm just looking at some of this other fucking stuff going on. Damn. Dude, they're gonna, yo, MOC in less than a minute. Yo, less than 1 minute for MOC. Watch yourself. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. I'm not touching shit. I don't even know which way it's going to go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, damn. That was fucking fast scalp. Oh. I got you. It was going Big Willie style. Hit it again tomorrow. Dude. If I had to guess, I would have said up only because we got back above 25,000. But I'm not fucking risking that. I am not risking that. No thanks. I'm just looking. What do we got? What do we got? What's Amazon at? Oh, 208. I was wondering. On TBT, will they breach you if you have a limit order when the market? I'm not sure, but I wouldn't do it, Dreamer. How's that sound? Just get rid of all your orders. Because why would you leave an order in for a limit? Because if it does get filled, you're fucked. So just don't do it. You know what I mean? Why? It's just no gain out of it. There you go. TPT will cancel your account. I mean, I don't trade my TPTs after hours. Like, here's my TPT account. I'll hit exit and I'm fucking done. That's it. My Lucid accounts, my Take Profit Trader. Dude, really? That's fucking crazy. Yo, Jeff Bezos is like, I'm canceling all your motherfucking primes. Yo, you think you're getting prime delivery now? Nah. Yo, we're upping the fees over in this motherfucker. I see you. Yo. He's about to cancel everyone over there. Yo, you want new sandals over there? Boom, none. We ain't delivering shit. I want you to beg me to come back. Jeff Bezos. Bro. That's crazy. Bro, I was watching one of these fucking TV stream shows. Bro, this girl took a trade and got completely annihilated. And like, it's not that she lost money, but it was like the reasoning and everything behind it. I was like, do they even fucking vet these people? I was thinking like you have Carfax, right? Where you can see what your car's history is, right? They got Vag facts, and now they need trader facts. I want to see traders facts on some of these fucking traders. I definitely want to see fucking. These firms are hiring these people. I want to see this girl was trading. I was like, I want to see her fucking payouts. I gotta see it. I'm not even gonna say what one it is, but I was like, what the absolute fuck is going on? Sean. Bro, I was like, what the fuck's going on? Damn, they made back this whole thing.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out of that. I want to see it come up a little more. I want to see it hit 58. I bought a subscription to VagFacts. Use code CoveTrader and got a free membership to ButtFacts. Bro, just saying. Just saying. I was literally like, I just lost brain cells hearing that. And then like other people in the chat were all like, oh yeah. And I'm like, thinking to myself, like, is there a vetting process for this shit? Or are they just kind of like, I don't know. Yo, backdoor access. Oh, man. Not too eventful for the last little bit of the day. I'll tell you that much. Yeah. I think they're going to dump it here end of day. I could be 100% wrong. We shall see, though. I'm not getting in front of the train yet. I'm waiting. But if we continue up, I'll probably play the drift play. I'll probably just play it in an eval, to be honest with you. The shit play? It depends.
Order filled.
This isn't part of it. I'm just seeing if that level holds. If I'm not stopped out, I will still play it in here. I'm just, if they start selling this out here, come on. I can't lose now. Man, I'm not even going to play it because I'm in it. I'm in it and I still think it dumps further. Oh, look at this fucking play, guys. Holy shit. There you go. 360. It already dumped. I can't fucking play the drift. It's already dumped. I took the 786 rejection is really what I did. That's all I did. Yo, there you go. Cove is sharing his free backdoor access. Yo, hold on 1 second. My bad. I'm in the middle of fucking. My bad, guys. I'm in the middle of selling a freaking sizable building, and I'm going back and forth. I'm going back and forth about this shit and everything else. Oh man, what up? What up? How was everybody's day? Market has heard Cove say, "I can't lose now. Let's make a." Dude, it just dumped. What a fucking solid rejection. Look at that shit. I'll be honest with you, today kind of sucked for me. I blew these two accounts. It kind of sucks because I blew them mostly last night and trying to hit a home run, and it was just stupid. My gold accounts are up. And then I got two my funded future accounts. One's up 1,000, one's up 547. So, you know. Oh man. Dude, so Apex is finally coming around as getting rid of the MAE rule is massive. To me it was. That's one thing that was hurting me was the MAE rule. So now we don't have to deal with the MAE rule. I would have gotten payouts. Like even this account I blew today was over the buffer, the normal buffer for a $700 payout. But the fact is I needed to grow it to $54,100. If I didn't have the MAE rule, this would have been $800 payout for me right here. I don't think people realize how much money that rule has taken from me. I'm getting some money. Obviously, I requested $4,000 between Thursday and Friday on these two accounts. And I'm getting close to these two. These accounts are super close. But, I would have made like $15,000, $20,000 with Apex last month if they didn't have the MAE rule. And then them taking away gold was also another big hit for me. Anyone got questions about anything? Questions? I'm going to make an Apex video tonight going over everything, by the way. Just feels like that's what everyone's looking for. So I am going to make one. Oh, man. After hours trading, like from now until 5 o'clock, sometimes I trade gold. Nah, sometimes I'll trade gold. I won't trade NQ now. But yeah, I'll trade gold. Man. Their activation fee, I think, is one of them is $79 and one of them is $99, I think. I think end of day is $99. Yo, Indian Burn just jumped on. Great day of trading today. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I think this whole Iran shit's going to be done quick, man. I don't see this hanging around. I think after about a week, it's going to be over. That's pretty much what I think it's going to be, is about a week. And then I don't think the U.S. wants it to be done right now. How's that sound? I think the U.S. wants to do as much damage to certain areas of Iran, like I'm talking about like military things, as much as they can do within a week's time, and then they'll talk. I think that's what's going to happen. Yeah, that's the legacy, Josh. Yeah, that's because they don't want you on the legacy. That's my personal opinion about the situation. Is this is like the window that the U.S. I personally think it's the window that they can do whatever they want over there, and they're just going to take advantage of it as much as they can, and that's it. I think that's what's going to happen. Um, you know, I mean they bombed like 7 different countries inside the Middle East. I saw Saudi Arabia is jumping in on it. There all these other countries are going to jump in on it. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be real interesting what happens. But I think that's what's going on is they're just, you know, going after as much shit as they possibly can in this small window of time. Yeah, I've seen some of the reviews, dude. They're leaving reviews. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, it's crazy. Um, yeah, I saw all types of wild shit. Yo, people are crazy. All right, here's the deal, though. I just realized what time it is. Um, what's today? Monday? I know you don't talk politics or care much about it, but you don't seem like I voted blue. True story, Matt. I did not. I did not vote. Honestly, I live. The area in Long Island I live is extremely Republican, so that's going to be Republican if I vote or not. And New York in general votes so Democratic that my vote does not matter. Um, so it's just I'm in like one of those weird areas that it actually doesn't matter. They're going to vote blue. The state votes blue no matter what. But yeah, if I was to vote, I would probably vote Republican. Um, but it doesn't mean I wouldn't vote Democrat if things changed. It's just like I don't see Kamala as a fucking viable candidate at all. But like Trump was a Democrat at one point, and he swapped parties. I think there should be more than two parties. Uh, I think there's good things on both sides. I don't think you can be black and white. I think that's the problem with the two parties is like if one party wants something, the other party doesn't want to do it. And it's like, why? Like, if it's fucking good, pass it. Um, I think that's the problem. I think they're going to stop that helpful. I think JD Vance wins next, and he's going to be a younger president, obviously. Also, his background is really good. And on top of that, his wife is brown. She's Indian, I believe. So I think he's going to get a pretty sizable vote, and they're going to push him come the next election. Yeah, I think that's the issue is like people think like if you're red, you're just you know, I think he was the better I think he was the better vote. Um, I- you know, I think he was the better vote, but if you voted the other way, I mean, everyone's entitled their opinion. I don't give a fuck what you voted, to be honest. Like if you voted the other way, awesome. Like that's what makes this country great is you could have differences in opinions. Like I think that's the biggest problem with today is like you're either one side or the other. It's like, no, man, like I could vote this side and you could still be friends with somebody on the other. Like I don't give a shit. Nobody should tell somebody else what they should be voting. It's up to you, man. Like I don't care. It's your opinion, right? I think it was Ange. I think it came down to who he was running against more than anything. I think the Democrats knew at the end they fucked up the whole thing. Honestly, like they didn't build up Kamala or another person, and then Joe ran for a little bit and then realized he wasn't going to win, so they swapped Kamala out with like 30 days left. It was bad. They fumbled it so bad. Yeah, I mean, he won areas that, I mean, they flipped a lot of votes. I don't know. It's going to be interesting next. I don't know who the Democrats are going to roll out, but like, I wouldn't roll out AOC. She's not going to win. I don't know who they're going to start building up, but they need to fucking start building somebody up. They need like another party. What up, Jackson? What up? What up? Well, also the problem with the U.S. voting system is if you look, every state that does not require voter ID is a Democratic state. It's kind of weird that every state that doesn't have voter ID is blue. It's just weird. It's coincidences. He's not going to win, Mike. He's not going to win. Last year, I requested an absentee ballot, used code CoveTrader, and received absentee ballots for Canada and Mexico. Yo, in Somalia, did you start a daycare? Because I wish I did. Rumors are A. Smith might start a political Democrat run. Stephen A. Smith? He's friendly with Trump, by the way, if you didn't know that. Bro, I need to get on one of those things that says Epstein touched me and get money. Dude, it's crazy. Still waiting for my daycare funds. Yo, I just got a text. I got to go pick up my kid at 4:30 and I got to drive there. We're going to run numbers game today. Winner takes the account for the numbers game. I can't do duck races today. I need to freaking get out of here. So we're gonna run numbers. So if you guess the number, you can guess as many times as you want. If you're new here, you got to be subscribed to the channel. Smash the like button. Doesn't cost you anything. And we're going to run numbers. First person to guess it gets the account. Guess as many times as you want. And hey, I'm going to be. Don't even start yet. Oh my god, dude! It didn't even start yet, bro. It didn't even start yet. If you're new and you want to hang out tonight, I'm going to be trading in the Discord. That's the Discord link. If you want to come hang out, feel free to join. I'm going to be trading at night. If you want to support the channel, use code CoveTrader. Works at all the firms. And I'm going to be back tomorrow at 9 in the morning. 9 in the morning. So if you're around, come freaking hang out. Numbers game starts now. Go. Oh man, there's a lot of fucking numbers. Holy shit. I'm not going to know. Oh, shit. Somebody just did it. It was 89. I don't know who just did that. Bro, who just did 89? Yo, I think it's Indian Burn. Yo, Indian Burn. Yo, Indian Burn just won. Holy shit. Yo. My bad. No music today. I'm sorry. I got no music today, no nothing. I feel like I let everybody down on the stream for the funsies. All right, I got to go, guys. I'll be on the Discord tonight.